Hi friends, welcome back to Mini Get Monday. This is August 2020, layout number 1. So a lot of you guys know that I'm following along with Shimelle's Best of Both Worlds because how fun is that? And these are the 2 sheets that she started out with for her first video. And I thought that was kind of cool. Why don't I start out with them? And I actually have them. I don't have everything that was in her product picks, but I do have these. So I thought I would start with following along with her design, which pretty much had this piece of paper here cut, and she cut off a piece right about here and then had this for the fill-in. Now her premise was that she was really being careful with her amounts of paper because she's going to work with it for all kinds of layouts for the whole month. I only have to do 3, so I don't think I'll be quite as precious. I'm just popping this onto this. The next thing she did was she looked for, and Pink Fresh doesn't have it, she looked for a branding strip that she could put in the middle that would work. And I don't even know if, oh, the ice cream cones are adorable. Those are super cute. So I might be able to bring them in, although they're rather busy, but I don't have lots of options. So I'm looking for a little branding strip that I could do the same with. Oh, this one is a lot calmer, this Live Life Happy. So I'm going to bring that in for my branding strip. Awesome. And then after that, actually, yeah, after that, and I should leave a link to her Facebook video thing. I'm sure that you guys know what I'm talking about, but we'll do that. But then pretty much her photo was here, and then she starts building up her layout. So I thought I would just start where she was and then meet you along the way. Now she is using a much deeper teal evergreen. I didn't have that. I'm kind of going with what I have. So I have this Distress Oxide, so I need to get a little foamy bit for this. So I will do that. I will cut out these pieces and take you along, or show you where I am when the time comes. And like I said, it's gonna kind of go like that with this strip in between, and I'm gonna ink up some things. The photo I have is this right here. My daughter sent this to me with a Happy Parents Day Snapchat filter. So it's cute, it's bright, it works with the colors. So I'm gonna do that. Don't know if I need to mat it or not. I'm feeling like it might have enough of a white border, but we'll see. Don't know. And I'll be back in a minute when I have my pieces cut and find my little inky doohickey. And then I also need to look through and get a little bit more familiar with the other pieces of my kit. Now, this was the alpha she used. I clearly don't have much of that. And she used a similar alpha to this. I do have the correct Amy Tan glitter stickers, and I have some of the correct collection from Bloom Street, but I don't have the one she picked, which I think was an exclusive for scrapbook.com. But that's all right. I have lots of the pieces. So I have my goodies off to the side here, back in my scrap room, trying to make things have slightly better lighting. And yeah, so I'm going to do my bit. Oh, I also have these foam mounting tapes, just to remind you. I'm going to do my bit to get this started, and I'll be back in a minute. All right, so this is what I have going. I do have my background papers all on there. I inked all the edges of my 12 by 12. I popped my photo just up on a little foam, and I'm going to have it there-ish. And then I went ahead and grabbed from my Alpha's, it's HPD for Happy Parents Day 2020 will be my title. I have to figure out how I want that to go because I want the Happy Parents Day wording to be in between the glittery bits to kind of break it up a little bit. It's really bold. So it'll probably be right around here for my title with Happy Parents Day, and then I'll fill in the area next to my photo with some other goodies. Now, Shimelle did have a stamp set, as do I. I have this Bo Bunny Say Cheese stamp set just from Tuesday morning, but she had one that was on the supply list, and she stamped out 3 different cameras, and I did the same. Now, she colored hers in with some glitter pens. I will not be doing that. I'm just going to have these be kind of tucked here and there as embellishments. Don't super know where I'm going with that. Now, you'll remember I also have these, but I think I'm going to stay with the really bold Amy tan things. I already have gold alphas going, so I don't know, unless I put these silvery words in 3 places. Not sure yet. So let me attach down my photo. I do know, I mean, I really think that these are adorable. So I could probably get this one up here and then this one down here-ish. So I have like a little visual triangle of my cameras. But I also need to make sure I can get this Happy Parents Day in, and it's super close to the same color. So I have to be a little careful with that. Maybe bring that up. And then I can get my glittery bits on. And then I really liked the idea of bringing in more of this royal blue color. So I made sure to pull flower stickers from the Amy Tan stickers that had all 3 of those colors in there. Now I do have this larger one, and I like this is life. So I'm going to be working on using these as die cuts since we didn't have separate die cuts included. So let me get my title on. I know I want my cameras about where they are, and then I'll be back in a second once I kind of firm up the rest of my design plan. Okay, so this is where I am so far. Now, let's see. I have everything stuck down, I think. Oh, I just put this little sticker right there. This sticker sheet has like these little half moon rainbow bits. And I thought I would put this Yes Please sticker up on a tiny bit of foam to give it, I don't know, just a little bit of interest. So I'm gonna put that here-ish. I think it's kind of lined up. It's weird, like when you have something a little bit tilted, it's hard to tell where something else is lined up properly. Now these floral shapes, I like this. I'm going to tie that in, maybe over here just a little bit so you can see more of that. And then I have this third one, and I hate to kind of have it in the same area, but I don't think I have a huge option because my camera needs to be up a little bit. So I guess I'm going to just have it hang over a little tiny bit, maybe trim off the side, and that will be fine. I have my 3 little camera bits. Now, I did pull a few more little stickers that I liked because remember, I don't have separate die cuts, so I am having to use the stickers also as kind of like part of my embellishment sets. And I had way too much room over here, right, from how my title ended up going. Let me find my little ruler, which seriously, I have not found one that I liked since I got this one, which is a total bummer. I can say it. So it's a bit of a struggle bus. There we go. Oh, I gotta put it in just a little bit more to get that heart in there. Okay, so I have that. And then I found this blue guy too. I'm really digging this blue in this collection. And I think this needs to go and get popped up on a little foam as well. So let me get, so by the way, this is the big drama going on. My English Bulldog, my oldest one, just walked in here. And my husband's cat is sitting on the dog's bed. So I'm not sure if there's going to be a ruckus in a second. The cat has not realized that the dog is looking at him. So this is really serious business in here. So this is what happens, like, since we're, you know, back in my craft room, that I have a dedicated bed and all that kind of stuff for my dogs down here. My craft room is just kind of an area that we have taken out of our storage room. Okay, really like that. So I like that this is life. I have my title coming down here. Let's get rid of all these little sticker bits. Now, I have these other pieces that I'm kind of digging. Oh, I ended up liking the blue Yes Please as opposed to the turquoise because I had such a big amount of the turquoise coming in this way. So this is what I'm thinking. I am thinking that this is going to be the time for me to try these adhesive foam strippy things. Let's see. Sarah Scraps showed these on a video I saw recently, and I was like, okay, I'll try them. I mean, I got like a bunch of packs of these for like $8 on Amazon, so that is not bad. So I think the premise is that they are literally just strips of foam. So figure I can curve one around this little piece like so. So I can still get lift and I can get curve. Cute. Of course I cut it too long. I am not the best measurator. All right, so, and the adhesive stuff comes off super easy because that's my main concern. So I like this. Don't want it going kind of like that. I want it more like this. So I guess I'll have it going there. Now this adhesive is less deep than the adhesive I have on these as well. It really does not matter at all. Just something I noticed. But I'll put that up there with my other adhesives. Now this word hooray, do we have, I kind of like it coming down this way. So I guess it's going to keep going. All right, so I have a couple little offcuts from foam squares. Kind of like Frankenstein, so we're going to put that in. That's just enough from other things. Other little cuts, and I know I struggle bus with this. So what do you guys think I need? I still have to do my enamel dots, and I have these 2 sets of them that they're the same exact ones. I don't even know where they're from. But now here's the thing also. I saw that when Shimelle originally did the list, it had yellow, but I think she was using a really great turquoise. So I probably didn't watch the whole video properly for her to say, grab this or that. You know. So I like this little hooray. That can go there. And I have this cute little rainbow. So I have lots of dimension. I'm not as worried about dimension at this point. So I can do, yes, please. Do I want to use this already? Because I don't know if I have to. All right, let's get these 3 hearts in. So I have 2 glitter ones and one that is just aqua. Let's see. All right, I can get one kind of shoved in there, a bit of a tone on tone, but it's fun. Let me look at one here, because I bet I can go ahead and do some kind of enamel dots built around it. And then I can do one right on this seam. That's fun. All right, let's finish it off with some enamel dots. I don't think I need to use that rainbow one on this one. I have lots of color, lots of fun stuff. So which one do I like the most? I think I like this color the most for this little situation. All right, let me sneak my big one there. I can put one right there. I can put, come on, little fella. And one right there. Do I want to put all of the same yellow? Do I want to bring in another one? I'm trying to use what's in my kit. It is not easy, considering the colors in this. Yeah, we'll just go for it. All right, so I had a big. Maybe I can put one there, and then a smaller one. Ooh, they're sticky little buggers. That's a good sign. Smaller one there. I have this one. This one. 2 there is fine, and I'm gonna have to bring in a medium one, maybe right there. Okay, I think that's it for this layout for Mini Kit Monday. Very large, I gotta trim that. Very large amount of scrap lifting from Shimelle, but I do like that my topic's different, my stamps are different, some of my choices are different. That ended up being the same, and that was actually an accident, which is kind of cool. But so much fun playing along with her Best of Both Worlds series, and yeah, I'll be back next Monday with my next layout, and down below I'll have links to the other creators for Mini Kit Monday. Bye, friends.